Hello students, I Jai Khatri from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. Today we are going to start third chapter of computer, that is charts in Excel. In this video, I will explain you what is chart and some types of chart. First of all, I will explain you what is a chart. In Microsoft Excel, a chart is often called a graph. It is a visual representation of data from a worksheet that can bring more understanding to the data than just looking at the numbers. In other words, we can say graphical or diagrammatically representation of data is called chart. A chart is a powerful tool that allows you to visually display data in variety of different charts formats such as bar, column, pie, line, area, donut, scatter, etc. In Excel, it is easy to create a chart. What is a bar chart? A bar chart is a graph that shows horizontal bars with the axis values for the bars displayed on the bottom of the graph. It is a graphical object used to represent the data in your Excel spreadsheet. Now I will explain you where you can use bar chart when you want to compare values across categories. When the categories text is long and difficult to display in column chart, in this condition also you can use bar chart. When you want to show duration in a graph, then also you can use bar chart. Now I will explain you how to create a bar chart in MS Excel. To create a bar chart in MS Excel 2010, you will need to do the following steps. Step 1. Highlight the data that you would like to use for the bar chart. In this example, we have selected the range A1 to C5. You can see in this diagram. Step 2. Select the Insert tab in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on the bar button in the chart group and then select a chart from a drop-down list. In this example, we have selected the first bar chart called clustered bar in the 2D column section. You can see in this diagram. Step 3. Now you will see the bar chart appear in your spreadsheet with horizontal bars to represent both the shelf life and restock time for each product. The shelf life is displayed as red horizontal bars and the restock time is displayed as blue horizontal bars. You can see the axis values on the bottom of the graph for these horizontal bars. You can understand easily through this diagram. Step 4. Finally, let's add a title for the bar chart. By default, a chart will be created without a title in MX Excel 2010. To add a title, select the Layout tab under Chart Tools in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on the Chart Title button in the Label group and then select About Chart from the drop-down menu. Through this diagram, you can understand easily step number 4. First of all, click on Chart Title menu, then select About Chart option. Now you should see a title appear at the top of the chart area. Click on the title and it will become editable. Enter the text that you would like to see as a title. In this diagram, you can see title of the chart is Product Life. Now I will explain you what is a column chart. A column chart is a graph that shows vertical bars with the axis values for the bars displayed on the left side of the graph. It is a graphical object used to represent the data in your Excel spreadsheet. Now I will explain you where you can use a column chart. A column chart you can use when you want to compare values across categories. You can see example of column chart which represent sales and expenses month-wise. Now I will explain you how to create a column chart in your spreadsheet. You have to follow the following steps to create a column chart. Step 1. Highlight the data that you would like to use for the column chart. Step 2. Select the Insert tab in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on the column button in the chart group and then select a chart from the drop-down list. Step 3. Now you will see the column chart appear in your spreadsheet. Step 4. Finally, let's add a title for the column chart. By default, your chart will be created without the title. To add a title, select the Layout tab under Chart tool in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on the Chart Title button in the Label group and then select About Chart from the drop-down list. So dear students, I hope you understood the concept of chart and some types of chart like bar chart and column chart. In next video, I will explain you some other types of chart. Thank you.